first try. Hey everyone, welcome back to A New Frontier. I'm Josh, also known as Trickshot Master. Make sure you use a coaster.
Josh has been watching trick shot videos online.
Then I realized, why just watch trick shot videos when I can make them myself?
So he's been making trick shot videos. I've been helping.
You need a spoon?
Yeah. Woo!
Hiya! Pancake! 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 Hey, don't show those. People don't want to see the bad trick shots. They want to see the perfect trick shots.
Ooh, okay. It's our trusty horse, Maple Stirrup, with today's mail. This is from Lori in Oklahoma. Hi, Josh and Beka. Do I have to be perfect and do everything right to follow God? Oh, what a beautiful question, Lori. I think...
Lori, if you want to see perfection, then check this out. Check this out. Check this out. Oh, I gotta get it right.
This could take a while. We'll be right back to ask, what does the Bible say about Lori's question?
Yes! What does the Bible say? We will find out today. Yeah. Few more trick shots like that, and I'll be famous for sure.
Oh, I've been meaning to ask you, do you know what happened to all my CDs? I can't find them anywhere.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, well, we'll look for them after we ask, what does the Bible say? Saul stared down the long dirt road, his eyes fixed on the horizon. It was barren, barely a tree or rock to be seen. The flat landscape was broken only by the silhouette of a small town.
Damascus. I will go to there, and I will find these followers of Jesus, and I will arrest them.
Saul was obsessed with following the law. That's actually why Saul had dedicated his life to finding Jesus' followers and stopping them.
Jesus' followers think he's God's son. Just saying that breaks God's law, and I will not let anyone get away with telling these lies. I have never broken the law. I always do what God says to do. I am successful. I am wealthy. I am respected. Oh, who are you, Lord?
A voice came from the light. He said, I am Jesus. I'm the one you are opposing. Get up and go into the city. There you will be told what you must do.
Oh, he's gone. Wait, I can't see now.
In Damascus, Saul met a man named Ananias who prayed for him. When he did that, Saul could see again. Amen.
Oh, yeah!
God had also given Ananias a special message for Saul. Saul, God has a purpose for you. You will tell people about Jesus all around the world.
Well, I never used to like this Jesus fella, but now I guess I'm gonna follow him. I used to think that I was right about everything, but now I see I was so wrong. Thank you. I'm so glad God gave me a second chance.
Saul became better known as Paul. He told thousands of people about Jesus and helped start a lot of the very first churches.
That's amazing. You know what else is amazing? This backpack trick. Yeah.
Wait a second. Are these my CDs? They're all scratched! Were you using my things to practice your tricks?
I gotta go.
Oh, brothers. We'll be right back. Sorry for ruining your CDs. And your stuffed animals, and your bicycle. Josh, what'd you do to my bicycle?
I was just testing it on the trampoline. It didn't work.
Well, why didn't you use your bicycle? Ugh. Never mind. Josh, I think this whole trick shot thing is way out of hand.
I just wanted to make the perfect video, and for that, I need the perfect trick shot.
I don't think being perfect is a great goal. I mean, did any of those trick shots go perfectly the first time you tried them?
I'd rather not say.
That's why we have video. Ryan, take it away.
The point of those was to look perfect.
That's my point. We're not perfect. None of us are. I mean, that's what Lori's question is about too. Sometimes we may want to be perfect, or we may even wonder if God wants us to be perfect.
Well, yeah.
But we're not perfect. Not in trick shots, not in life. We've all done things we know are wrong. But God says we can start following Him right where we are. Here's an example. Let's say you're lost.
Oh no. I'm lost. I am lost. What am I to do? Will somebody please help me?
Suddenly, you see a traveler.
Oh, traveler, will you please help me? I'm lost. Do you know how to get out of here?
Yes, but see, you took a wrong turn, so it's your fault you're lost. Tell you what, if you can find your way back to the path where you started, then I'll help you.
Well, wait, but I'm still lost.
Not my problem.
Oh, that was super unhelpful.
The thing is, all of us are lost, separated from God by the wrong things we've done. Jesus came to help us, but He could have acted like that traveler did. He could have told us to start doing things right, fix up our lives, and then He would help us. But Jesus did something way more kind. Oh my goodness, are you lost?
Oh, yes, I am.
Here, let me help you.
Oh, wait, don't I have to do something first? Like go back to where I started or fix myself up or something like that?
Not at all. We'll start right here, right where you are.
Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh, Jesus accepts us just the way we are. That's what He did for Saul, right?
Yeah, good point. Jesus changed Saul's life forever, not because Saul was perfect, but because Jesus loved him. Jesus gave His life for everyone, even for Saul, even for you and me.
So, Lori, I think we can answer your question this way. We can choose to follow God's way. Following God isn't like where you have to make a checklist and do everything just right or else you get in trouble.
Right, following God is more like walking along a path, going through life with God helping you every step of the way. So when we get off course, God will be right there with us, and He'll forgive us and help us.
If you've never decided to follow God, it's the most important decision you could ever make. Maybe today could be your day. All you have to do is talk to God. Your leader can help you with that right now, and we'll be right back in just a few minutes.
Welcome back! We are all ready to go with a game called
Trick Shot Challenge! Yeah! Oh, since we are doing trick shots today, we thought it would be best that we do a series of trick shots and whoever gets it first wins.
Let's get started. First up, we have bottle flipping. Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
And go.
Go!
Oh,
Man.
it's almost upside down. Oh, it's
no.
leaking.
Come on. Ah!
Leaking everywhere.
Tighten it. Come on, Josh.
You only tightened so much. Quick, go get it! Okay, a little more torque. Nope, not enough.
No!
A little more. Still inside. A little more. Still not enough. A little more, Beka.
Come on.
Almost.
What is this?
It's running everywhere. Oh, that was close.
No.
Look out!
I think there is too much water. Because it doesn't,
Too much water, not for me.
All right, in this one, we gotta flip one cone onto the other cone. Ready?
Yes.
Go! Oh, man.
Start this again. Oh, ah. Oh no.
Turn it around. Oh. There's promise here.
Breakthroughs. Oh, that was in unison.
Hey!
Oh, nicely done.
Yes!
Pencils into the pencil cup by bouncing off the eraser. Let's do this.
Okay.
Ooh.
So good. Soft touch.
Oh, love this.
Ooh. Oh!
Yes!
Oh, yes! 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 Winner! Next up, we have to toast all this bread because we have a toasting party coming up.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Go.
I have to like line up. You go, I'm gonna.
I'm gonna try.
I think I'm gonna try underhand. I am the Toastmaster! What? Trick shot! Oh, bread in my eye.
I can't. Why? Woo, what a challenge.
Once more, if you decided to follow Jesus today for the first time, we wanted to say that we are so excited for you.
And we're super excited to see you again next week on A New Frontier.